You couldn't find a car park, you parked here, mate.
Yeah, this is where we come.
You know, when you look up a city to see how is it like, about Brighton loads of good things come up, and it says it's expensive, like London expensive, and then it says there is a nightmare with car park, and you say okay, it's all right. But I mean, that's the thing, you need to take it seriously, because there is a nightmare with car park. I've seen people fighting for car parks and there is no car park, even if there is, overpriced. What is this for?
So this air ambulance, we're picking a patient up from the hospital. So we're waiting for the ambulance to come with the patient now.
All right, cool.
Yeah, and then we'll fly off to London.
London?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. How long does it take to get to London?
25 minutes.
You know that guy? I told him your job is much more interesting than many people's holiday. Which is not a lie. So this is the line. Cross it, you pay. Stay behind it is for free. So this car has to pay, and this one for free. Here is far away from the center, but I'm gonna park it here and go on my skateboard. I'm not gonna pay the overpriced parking. Oh, it's not normal. The rest are good. I think I have to get back. I parked my car over there. Which one would you choose? This one or this one? I would choose this one. Definitely.